Hi friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making barbecue chicken legs in the air fryer. To make this easy recipe, we need chicken legs, barbecue sauce, salt and pepper, and cooking spray. The first step to making this recipe is to spray the air fryer basket with a cooking spray. So we take out the air fryer basket and spray it so the chicken legs don't stick to it. Next, we're going to put the chicken legs in the air fryer in a single layer. And I will season them with salt and pepper. And you can use any seasonings you like. You can also season the other side. And let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's open the basket. And we're going to brush chicken legs with barbecue sauce. So let's take barbecue sauce, squeeze it on top of the chicken legs. And we will use a silicone brush to brush it evenly. And I can add even a little bit more. So let's put the basket back on the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take out the basket. And we're going to flip the chicken legs over and brush the other side with barbecue sauce. So I'm going to turn each one. Okay, and now I will squeeze the barbecue sauce. And use the brush to brush them. And let's put the basket back on the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And we'll set the time to 5 minutes. Now the chicken legs are done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious barbecue chicken legs. They look amazing. So easy to make in the air fryer. All you need is chicken legs and barbecue sauce. To print this recipe, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.